Are you tired of that boring robotic voices on your YouTube videos? Today I'm going to show you how to turn your boring robotic voices into something like this.
A hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, couldn't reach the grapes.
A hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't reach the grapes.
For 2 days and nights, this express car was dragged along at the tail of shrieking locomotives.
A hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't reach the grapes.
As you can see, it's very human-like and natural sounding voiceover that you can get for free. Because in today's video, I'm going to tell you my top 3 voiceover tools which are completely free and have unlimited characters. Also, these voices are completely human-like voiceovers, so there will be no any issues for YouTube monetization. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, number 3rd on the list is ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to write me a story about a hungry fox and grapes. If you click on this icon right here, it is a read aloud.
A hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't reach the grapes. Tired and frustrated.
As you can see, it's a very human-like voiceovers, but you cannot download this audio. But what we can do is you can screen record it and later you can extract the audio. And if you want to change the voice of the person, then how you can do that? Simply go to the settings and go to speech, and from here select any voice you want. We have only 4 options here, but all of them are very natural human-like voiceovers, so you can use any of them. For example, I'll choose Cove.
A hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't reach the grapes.
You can generate unlimited voices with ChatGPT and there will be no any issue for monetization also. So this is just the first AI tool that we are using to generate our audio, but only disadvantage is you cannot paste your script here. If you are using the story from ChatGPT, then you can easily generate audio from it, but we cannot put our own script. But on the next AI tool, we can use our own text and generate some audios from there. So let's go to the second number AI tool, and that is also from OpenAI. If you don't know about OpenAI, then they developed ChatGPT also. So that AI tool is text-to-speech OpenAI. So as you can see, here is the option to paste our text. If you see here are some voices. These are some OpenAI voices. If you click on sample,
the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been in the heart of the city. There is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature.
as you can see, these are completely human-like voiceovers. Also, there are some system voices too. For example, if I want to listen to this audio, just click on sample.
There he lay for the remainder of the weary night, nursing his wrath and wounded pride.
For 2 days and nights, this express car was dragged along at the tail of shrieking locomotives.
And from here you can change the speed of the audio, and from here you can change different kind of accents and age and gender, and also you can upload your own voice to create a new voice. I really like this AI tool. You can definitely use that. For example, I will just paste this text. Now I want to choose this audio and create a speech for me. As you can see, it's already done. So this is our audio.
A hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, couldn't reach the grapes.
And simply by clicking here, you can download the audio. And look at this, this is our audio file. And there is one little disadvantage of this AI tool, that is we have a character limit, that is 3000 characters per single conversation. That means we can paste 3000 characters at once. 3000 word means you can easily generate 3 to 4 minutes of audio. This is not 3000 characters per day, this is 3000 characters per conversation. So now it's time to go to number 1 text-to-speech AI tool, and that is none other than Clipchamp. I really like this tool because it has very human-like voiceovers, and you can select any countries you want and different kind of accent also. And there is a character limit, of course, because it's also a paid plan, but the character limit is of 7500. You can easily generate 8-minute long video with 7500 characters. Let me copy this text and come to Clipchamp. If this is your first time using Clipchamp, then obviously you need to sign up at first, and then click on record and create and click on text to speech. Then here is the box where you can enter your text. So I'm gonna simply paste my text here, and from here you can select any language you want, and from here you can select different voices. My personal favorite is this one, Ima Multilingual, but all of these voices are completely human like voiceovers. And if you wanna listen to this audio, then simply click on preview.
A hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't reach the grapes.
As you can see, it's very human like voiceovers. Also, you can change some settings from here, like the pitch of the voice and pace of the audio, like 1x speed or 2x speed. You can do that. And after all this, if you like the audio, then simply click on save. So as you can see, our audio is ready. Now if you click on play,
a hungry fox saw some juicy grapes hanging high on a vine and wanted to eat them.
So our audio is ready, but one disadvantage of Clipchamp is that you can only export in video format, not in audio format. But that's not the problem, because we can easily extract our audio in any video editor. So let me just export it in 480p for now, because we are only using the audio. Our audio is already downloaded. Now let me go to any video editor like Premiere Pro or CapCut, whatever you use. This is the audio we made with Clipchamp. I'll just import that in CapCut. Now let's just drag it here. So as you can see, this is in the video format. So right click on this video and click on extract audio. Now our audio is separated from the video. You can easily delete this video by clicking on delete from your keyboard, and then it's just your audio. Now simply click on export. By default it's selected on video, but we want just audio, so click on audio and uncheck the video. So now it's on MP3 format, and this is our audio. Simply click on export. Our audio file is now ready. So these are my top 3 picks for AI voiceover tools, and if you like this video, then I highly suggest you to watch this video right here. Here I talked about top 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas. So if you wanna start a new YouTube channel, then first make sure your channel niche is very profitable. So I talked about all the niches and all the RPMs of that niches in this video, and my top 10 favorite niches of 2024. So I highly suggest you to watch this video next.